मुझे एक बैग 100 से भी कम प्राइस में मिल रहा था, 8 या फिर समथिंग लाइक दैट। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल, वेलकम टू ए न्यू वीडियो। आज हम लोग शूट करने वाले हैं एक हॉल वीडियो। एंड गाइस, आई वाज लिटरली शॉक कि मुझे एक बैग 100 से भी कम प्राइस में मिल रहा था, कहाँ से 98 या फिर समथिंग लाइक दैट। एंड आई वाज लिटरली शॉक, लाइक 100 रुपये से कम में भी बैग मिलता है, मतलब वेयर इन मीशो. So we just bring lot of bags. I think 6 or 7 bags. Those are trendy and those are in trend, and some dupes of some luxury brands. So I bought all the stuff and let's check out. This is first bag I got from Meesho. Guys, the texture, you can't even believe it's from Meesho, and like the product is quite good at this price range. And like I get the product, it's like a gem, kind of like finding a gem. Yeah, and you can open the button like this and like this. And guys, it has a separated chain with it. Like I love the bag. Guys, the next a white bag. I don't know it's coming or not. The color is I think too bright. So this is the white bag. I got it rupees under 200, I think. Pretty good deal. And it does not have any other compartment, I think. No, this is having like little compartment here also. It's pretty good, and there are some cushiony things are there. So it's pretty good. At 200 rupees you can consider this, but I don't like the quality very much. So look at this bag. This is a dupe of like a Dior का एक ऐसा ही बैग था, एंड ये पूरा उसका बस ड्यूप है, क्रोकोडाइल का स्ट्रक्चर किया हुआ है, लेकिन क्वालिटी इज अप्रोप्रिएट इन दिस प्राइस रेंज. बट वो बाई ड्यूप्स ऑफ Dior and luxury brand, so you can go for it, you can consider this, and yeah, that's pretty much good. Next bag is so pretty and it's for appropriate for beach. You can see or not. This is like pretty good. I just love the flower thing, and this is like trendy right now, and it's actually have long chain. This is the whole chain, and yeah, it's quite spacious, and if you are just like put some stuff in that, it can be like this. And it's kind of a 10 on 10 bag, but like I won't give it 10 just because of here you can see something is just coming out of this. I don't know why. So just if you are getting the good one, it's like a great deal. Coming to that bag, came for even less than 100. Literally, I was also shocked. And so this is the bag. This is like cute strap. And trust me, can you believe like under 100? Seriously? Like okay, it's cost me like 98 or something like that. If you are also buy it for first time, you will get it for like 98 rupees, and this bag is like for 98 rupees. This is like quite good, quite. And I will just show you, and I can show you the compartment of it. Okay, this is a little problem because it has like one compartment only, but the inside material is also like very good, like at rupees 100 it is like a great deal. I just approve it. If you want to take a bag under rupees 100 and this good, like just buy it. It's a great deal. This is also a dupe of luxury brand, and this comes with this kind of strap. You can carry it like even you can make it long or short as you want. Like trust me, like the quality is quite good. The price range they are giving this bag is like quite good, because you know, some people want to buy luxury brand but they can't. So like dupes are life saving. And they are also giving like two parts, and middle में एक chain है और एक compartment भी है. So this is pretty spacious, and you can wear it as you want, like for long shorts, or like you can even carry it like one-handed and as you want. So yeah, that is also like as per the price, the quality is literally good. I love that bag, and the material is also not like cheap at all. Like yeah, that is for today's guys, and hope you like the video. If you do, like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. तब तक के लिए bye bye.